Hey tech fans! Did you know Apple makes camera-less iPhones for top secret places like nuclear power plants? These devices are built for ultimate security. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this covert iPhone secret. We're uncovering Apple's camera-less iPhones, special devices with no cameras designed for high security spots like nuclear plants. Why ditch the camera? To stop sensitive info leaks. Want to know how they work? Keep watching. In places like nuclear power plants, cameras are a security risk, potentially letting bad actors snap and share confidential info. Camera-less iPhones solve this by removing all camera hardware, ensuring no photos or videos can be taken. These devices are tailored for environments where surveillance is a no-go, keeping sensitive data safe. Third-party firms buy standard iPhones from Apple, strip out the cameras, and sell them to government agencies or secure facilities. These modified iPhones are perfect for communication and documentation in high-stakes settings, complying with strict regulations. They prevent unauthorized recording, making them a trusted tool in places like nuclear plants. Camera-less iPhones are a game-changer for secure environments, balancing modern tech with ironclad safety. By eliminating cameras, they block potential leaks and uphold strict policies, proving Apple's tech can adapt to even the most sensitive needs. Could these devices set a new standard for secure tech? Camera-less iPhones are already in use in high-security settings, showing how tech can prioritize safety. Curious about other secret Apple devices? What's your take on these spy-proof iPhones? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Apple's camera-less iPhones. Are you amazed by their security smarts or want one for yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.